Dangshan hadin bakladon ngejingpen sngau bagi MDC na ki constituency ki bahab hagi Jaka sor kimla ban pendrung skim bat sakan taj haka portal jong ka Ministry of Panchayati Raj ki badai ki tait bat antait grant ki balamang na kebenta ki Jaka nong kendong lani ki rural local bodies Lyngba ka 15th Finance Commission ka Tnad District Council Affairs ka Sorkar Jylla haka Jylla ubak prestun tensong usembut menteri rangba ubari Peit yakani ka Tnad haka arpau tere ujemang araja arpusan ban lum da ka Jylla ya barok ki MDC na ki lightly ki Autonomous District Council kata na Khasi Hills, Giant Hills, Badgaro Hills ban ya merging mod halor kani. Haga Jylla nalor ki officer na Tnad District Council Affairs, laydon lang da ki officer Tnad Community and Rural Development, Urban Affairs, lem ki nong mikmat na kita ki Autonomous District Council. Haba kran sikilat pathai kubor ubak prestun ulaong bak Jylla kala syem ya karai ban Phah Peit benya ya kani ke Jylla kendu jing bat ka Tnad Urban Affairs ka Sorkar Jylla.
We sit down about the issue of the implementation of 15 Finance Commission grant recommended by the 15 Finance Commission to all the 3 district councils. But in between we have a little challenges relating to the area which falls under the urban area. Because even the district council, we have urban area constituencies like Tura, like Shillong, like Jylla. So what happened was, that schemes, that schemes recommended by the 15th Finance Commission, it talks about the rural area, which is to be implemented by the 3 district council, and it was silent when you talk about the implementation of the very same scheme in urban area. So ultimately, we had a meeting today. I discussed with all the 3 district councils and then with the officers, and we have already requested the Urban Affairs Department to work out if something can be done for the urban area MDC constituency in the entire state, where they will also be able to get the so-called untied or tight fund as recommended by the 15 Finance Commission. So we have already decided. We entrusted now to the Urban Affairs Department, and I've already told also to the Commissioner Secretary of DCA to be in touch, and with all the 3 district councils, I'm very sure we will be able to implement this same such scheme even in the urban areas from now on.
Any time frame fixed?
No time frame, but we have already told them to work out at the earliest possible so that they can also participate, because you knew well that the 15th Finance Commission is ended up to March 2026. So we have left maybe only few months from now. So we have already told them that to work out immediately and then make sure that this urban areas elected representatives also are entitled to get this recommended scheme, which was already recommended by the Finance Commission. Pi menta kadon pa ka problem namar ba kadika online ki portal kala create la ka jong ka portal. Pi mensua habang padon ya kanika kampadon kanika portal kai bajia kolong ba ki don ki scheme ki balamang kerpang menta ki diskausil subu no menta la sanction kerpang ki si hajar tengka te kum ka ke chizi kumur ki sam par ki MDC bro arkun lagun temut ki layo ban implement klem yak sim yaka urban lane ka rural den ring ong pi annik la create ya ka portal pada menta kam ya chu kumta katu ka portal kam accept lada ke yo I ba kam don hakalis jong kanika rural area kam accept dehang ta bami kanika isu ka bangihap bani kren ka betaka urban batka rural namar ba ka along no penban ko mo deprive ye ki bapli ki MDC ki ba job hapo ki neki urban area
kami beli ki konstitusi
ya mentangam la ban ong kanut li in detail then rei kidon menta kum hatura kidon around 3-4 menta hapo kum hapo Shillong ngata kidon kum 5-6 nata hajuai kidon kum ta 4-5, but I please don't take it as final, because as I said to you, it must be like that only. They must be happening around 3-4 in July, again here in Shillong maybe 5-6 like that, and then even in Tura they have around 4-5 like that.
habatin pej bahagi kishap ke sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ke sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka batau bha kam kta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kam bha ka jing im ba kam bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lyngba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya